Feeling good is important, right? Sometimes we all need a bit more energy, a little bit more va-va-voom. Natural things can really help with that. They come straight from the earth, so they are full of goodness. Let's talk about feeling your best. It's easier than you think, my friends. Your body is like a brilliant machine. It needs good fuel to work well. Eating healthy food is key. Drinking plenty of water helps too. When you look after yourself, you feel amazing. This includes feeling good in your love life. Everything is connected, you see. It's all about balance in it. So let's think about natural foods. Fruits and veggies are your mates. They are packed with vitamins. They give you power. And they taste delicious too. A colorful plate is a happy plate. It means you get lots of different good bits. This can really boost how you feel naturally. Now I've got a cracking idea for you. How about a special juice, eh? A juice made with lovely fresh ingredients. This juice can help you feel more lively. It can give your spark a little nudge. It's easy to make at home, and it's super tasty, believe me. Let's get you feeling brilliant, guys. Right then, let's talk ingredients. For this amazing juice, we need some superstars. First up, we have juicy watermelon, then a zingy lemon. Don't forget a bit of fiery ginger and lovely sweet pineapple. Finally, a crisp and delicious apple. These are all easy to find. Proper, lovely stuff. Watermelon is just fantastic, isn't it? So refreshing on a hot day. It's full of water, which is great. Keeps you nice and hydrated, you see. It has a beautiful red color. That color tells you it's packed with goodness. We need about 2 big slices for this. Get a nice ripe one if you can. Next, we have lemon and ginger. What a combo, eh? A real power couple. Lemon gives that lovely, sharp, zesty taste. It really wakes everything up. Full of sunshine, that lemon is. Ginger is a bit warm and spicy. It adds a real kick to the juice. Just a small piece of ginger is enough. And to finish our gang of ingredients, pineapple and apple, of course. Pineapple is so tropical and sweet. It makes the juice taste like a holiday. It's got that lovely golden color too. And apples, well, everyone loves apples, don't they? They are crunchy and good for you. 1 apple will do the trick. Nice one. So, why these ingredients, you ask? Let's start with our lovely watermelon. This beautiful fruit is not just tasty water. It has something special called citrulline. This stuff is brilliant for your blood flow. Better blood flow is good for everything, really. It helps your body work well all over. And it can really help with your energy levels. Now for the zesty lemon, my friends. Lemons are absolutely packed with vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is super important. It helps your body fight off nasty sniffles. It keeps your immune system strong and fighting. A strong body is a happy body, simple as that. Lemon also adds a fresh, clean taste, so it's good for you and tastes great. Ginger is next up on our list. This little root is surprisingly powerful. It's really great for your circulation. That means it helps blood move around your body, just like watermelon does, but in its own way. Ginger can also help calm your tummy, and it can reduce inflammation too. So it's a bit of an all-rounder, this one. Lastly, let's chat about pineapple and apple. Pineapple is full of good stuff, it is. It has vitamins that your body loves. It also helps with your digestion, so it keeps your tummy happy and settled. Apples are little energy boosters, they are. They give you natural sugars for power, and they are good for your heart health. All right, team, let's make this juice. It's super simple to whip up, I promise. You will need a blender or a juicer. A blender is fine, makes it more like a smoothie. A juicer will give you a clearer juice. Either way, it's going to be delicious. So grab your machine, whatever you've got. Make sure it's clean and ready to go. First, let's prep our lovely fruit. Take about 2 cups of watermelon, cut it into nice, manageable chunks. Remove the big seeds if you like, up to you. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Peel a small piece of ginger root. About 1 inch should be perfectly fine. Chop 1 cup of pineapple into pieces and core and chop 1 lovely apple. Now for the fun part, let's get blending. Put all your chopped fruit into the blender. Add the fresh lemon juice and the ginger. If you're using a blender, you might want to add a splash of water. This helps it blend smoothly, nice and easy. Whiz it all up until it's lovely and smooth. If using a juicer, just feed the fruit through. It's that simple, folks, no fuss at all. And there you have it, Puckatucker. Your amazing libido-boosting juice is ready. Pour it into a glass straight away. Drink it fresh for the best taste and benefits. This juice is packed with natural goodness. It helps your blood flow get going. It boosts your energy naturally. It supports your overall wellness. Give it a try.